Gonna be out here ripping an RC that you can't buy. What do you mean you can't buy? Because you can't buy it. Kind of sounds a little bit like a mad van, doesn't it? Sounds like a mad van. Ho! Ho! It really does sound like a mad van, doesn't it? Oh my God, holy wheelie. Oh, jeez. It's like a flat mad van. Thing kind of moves, doesn't it? So anyways, today on RC Guy Garage, I am just out ripping a China creation. So this vehicle right here is a vehicle you've seen before, but you haven't, because it looks different. Looks different and acts different. Oh my God. It's gonna rip the tires off. So this is a little experiment that I'm doing here. This is one of these Chinese vehicles. Cheap little RC car that I've done a review on at one point. But it's gone through a little bit of a change. Ho! That's the only thing. Is the thing is kind of almost too fast for its own good. But still fun though, man. I'm telling you. Look at my poor ramp. My poor ramp is horrible. It's in such rough shape. It's almost too fast for its own good. The RC truck you can't buy. You can. You just gotta figure it out. Goes down the steps nice and easy. Oh my God. Or goes down rough, however you want. Needs roof slides. Gets up and scoots, man. Oh, and it scoots and slides onto its roof pretty quick because it has amazing grip with these monster truck tires. Like I said, this is a truck you've seen before, or a car, one of them. What do they call it, a wolf in sheep's clothing? Oh! And did it survive? Amazing. It did. Oh, amazing. Watch this person take out the lamppost. I can't believe it survived that. That was a full-on hit to that mailbox. China Junk RC running right now. China Junk. It's got it in for this mailbox. Oh, that's it. Nope. Thought that was low cut. I think it's getting hot. It's probably getting hot. Yep. It's either that or it could be low cut. So this little beastie right here, this thing is going to be going to the skate park. So tomorrow, it's going to be going to the skate park. I guarantee it's hot. Oh, jeez. Provided I don't kill it. Just get a picture of it right in the moss right here. I'll explain exactly what this is, just not right now because it's in its testing phases. Testing phase. Just having some fun, man. This is one of them junk China RCs that I just wanted to see what this thing could do. And I lost the body pins. What else is new? That is something with these China junk RCs that you're gonna come across all the time. Motor's actually pretty mint. So the ESC itself could have been getting a little hot. Let's not kill it, guy. It's not really killing it, right? Just driving it. Oh. Oh, don't be hitting the Camaro, guy. Stupid little car. Try to kill my Camaro. Little backflip monster. Let's check that out again. Little backflip monster. Oh my God. I think I'm gonna have to go ahead and get that on a different frame rate. Now this says stabilization not supported. So let's get right up to the edge here. Put the wheels right up there, like that. Ready? Little backflip monster. Oh. And it seems to like to do it. It even did it right here too. It's hanging on pretty good, man. Wow. Pretty crazy. It's China junk RCs, man. Oh my God, it can self-right. Didn't even think about that. Let's see if it can. First, let's flip it upside down. Ready? And then let's right it. Might not be able to. It's gonna ruin the body. I think the battery's low. Yep, battery's low. All right, so anyways, this is RC Guy Garage out here with more China junk RCs. Like I said, you don't like that I'm calling them junks. All right, guy, that's why I'm calling them junk now. It's because you said that. Don't call them junk. Because they are, man. There is no confusion. Why do you think I just did a conversion like this? Why did I bother wasting my time doing a conversion with this little junk China RC? Because, like I said, they're not all junk. To an extent. I want to be clear. They're not all junk to an extent. In reality, are they all China junk RCs? Yeah, they are. They're not full hobby grade. They're really close. They give you a bridge that's in between spending, you know, the $3 to $1,000 and even more. They give you the bridge to still give you smiles for miles. And that's the whole point of what I'm talking about with my channel. The whole point is this hobby. This hobby is supposed to be about smiles for miles. That's all it is, man. So as long as I'm smiling and as long as kinda you're smiling, give a thumbs up. Can't even do it. Give a thumbs up for the channel. You know what to do. You already know. If you don't want to, that's cool too. Just helps the algorithm if you do. Also, those stinking bell notifications. Come on, guy, just turn them on. It's not gonna kill you. So what? You got one extra bell notification going off. It helps my channel. That's all I care. Oh, don't forget, I've got the SKYRC mongrel mount. It's kind of like a mongrel mounted. Whoa, mongrel mounted SKYRC GPS holder. It's actually being printed right now. Maybe we'll go up and check it out. It's probably on its last couple of it's on its last couple of legs of print, so, or layers. It's getting close. It was coming up to an area where it might be having a problem. Let's go check it out. Is the first one. This is the first one ever created. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's mint. Do have some stringing. I did have a little bit of a sag that happened. Kind of expected that, but I already fixed it in the new print. So this is going to be mine. But if you're curious how long it took, that's how long it took right there. 4 hours and 19 minutes. At 84%. The nozzle was at 240. So that's the first one. So let's check and see if let's check to see if the GPS unit actually fits inside of there. So I do have to get some of these little strings out of here. I'm not worried about any of that stuff. Some of that stuff can be taken care of with a heat gun. But I knew I was going to have collapse. So, like I said, this is mine. Anyway, it's not that bad, actually. It did a good job. But you can see where the fan blew it. So, but here's my GPS module. And it is a stinking perfect fit. Absolutely awesome. And it's got the little thumb hole if you want to pull it out. And this is obviously for the charging jack. It looks oversized, but it's that way on purpose so you can stick basically whatever kind of a charger in there that you want. Well, not whatever charger, but you get the idea. And I made it so that you didn't have to, I did what's called a through hole, so you can flip it around. So it won't make a difference which way you put it in. But you can see the little charging jack right there. So anyways, that's it. SKYRC GPS mongrel mount holder.